Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Wambui Nyakinyi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana, and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm gracing your screens looking as tired as I feel, but I thought I should show you how I slay my hair in less than 30 minutes. I'll need scrunchies and pins because I am a very lazy human and I didn't control my hair. If your hair is cornrowed, then this step is not for you. Moving on.
That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.
Because I'm using a band wig, I'm going to lay my edges at the front. And I'm going to be using Eco Styling Gel and this mousse. You can use any gel that you have, just apply it, then go in with any type of a brush that you have. I'm using a toothbrush. You can use a fancy brush. It's really up to you.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you.
Then I'm going to go ahead and add the mousse for the extra holds. You need that part.
On my soul, I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy.
So I'm going to secure the back of my hair with a wig cap. Make sure you position it at the right position.
Happier tonight. I'll be waiting for you in the morning. I'll leave without giving a warning. I'll leave without giving a. So every time say goodbye, we all know it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
I'm going to go ahead and use this head wrap. They say satin or silk. I'm not sure what this is, but just make sure you hold everything and everything is set to dry so you can avoid the white stuff. You can hover a blow dry if you only have the 30 minutes. I had time, so I'm going to go away and play with some makeup, then come back. Hoodies. Maybe I should reintroduce myself, you know. Anyway, this is the wig that I'm using. As you can see, it has some what do you call these pins, combs, I'm not sure, for the hold and at the back of your head too. So I'm just going to check if my hair is dry. See, it's already dry. Cornrows for who? My twists worked. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the wig on and secure it. Make sure to secure your wig. You don't want it flying off. You can play with your wig to position it at the right position, the position you're comfortable with or the position that you want. Then make sure to secure your wig. I insist. I feel like every girl needs a band wig, because I mean this literally is something that you just pick when you're in a hurry and leave the house. You can even do this in your car, or wherever, or walking. Look at that. So you can accessorize your wig, make it fancy. So for me, I went ahead and added these bands. Which of course looks really good. It looks better than the wig one.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So you can still style your hair the way you want. Just wanted to leave mine down, so I'm not going to be styling it in any way.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
I loved this look. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.